How to withdraw from Blockfi interest account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Misnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can withdraw from Blockfi interest account. Now first things first, let's get things straight. The first question or the first thing that you'll have to know is whether you can withdraw from the Blockfi interest account. Now to keep it straight and simple, no, you won't be able to withdraw anything from your Blockfi interest account. If it is your main account, then you can withdraw money from your Blockfi wallet, but you won't be able to withdraw anything from your Blockfi interest account. So beware of all the phishing mails and scam emails that you'll get about or regard withdrawing from your interest account on Blockfi. So what you can do is you can head over to your Blockfi wallet, and there you can go ahead and withdraw, but you won't be able to withdraw from your interest account. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.